We're doing another vegan taste test. This time we are tasting 6 protein bars. They're from Misfits. They're vegan and gluten-free, and I believe they're from London. So I don't know what's going on over in London, but we seem to gravitate towards their vegan goodies. The first one we're going to try is a white chocolate caramel.
Okay.
That sounds pretty good to me.
Something crunchy on top.
Mm-hmm. Crunchy bits on top. That is tasty. Nothing wrong with that. You know, sometimes you get those protein bars and they're really chalky. No, this tastes good. The second one we're trying is a chocolate caramel.
I like that.
Yeah, that's like a milk chocolate goodness right there. The third one we're going to taste is dark chocolate brownie.
Yum. I like that brownie. Chocolatey goodness.
And there's crunchy bits in there too. Our fourth one we're trying is chocolate s'mores. They look pretty darn good, and they've got little teeny marshmallows on top.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
In your face.
In your face. S'mores. Let's go for it.
Okay, that's my favorite one right now.
That hits you right when you take a bite. And it's delicious. Whoa.
More of that.
You're the best. Okay, the fifth one is chocolate hazelnut. I'm not getting much taste from this one.
Me either. But it's not a bad thing because I'm not usually a hazelnut person. So this is actually good.
I'm tasting chocolate. That's what I taste.
Chocolate.
It's good. So this last one, white chocolate cookies and cream. And if you can see the cookies on top, that's very exciting to me. So let's see how this one tastes. It just hit me. Took a minute.
Yeah, it takes a minute. But that's good.
Yeah, that is good. It's almost buttery. I'm tasting butter in this one. Those were really good. I would recommend these for sure. They kind of taste like eating a candy bar, but they're a protein bar. Again, vegan and gluten-free.
And until she mentioned it, I thought they were candy bars.
They're protein bars.
I know. So bonus.
Woo. Let us know if you give these a try. I'm curious what you think of them. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you have a great day.